Hello guys, today I will make a simple to-do list app for all of you in VS Code by doing coding. So let's go. Download VS Code in your PC as I already said in the previous video. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Now go to VS Code under this main file which is index.html and another which is style.css and another which is script.js. Click in your keyboard to shift plus 1. Now you can see after clicking you click enter. Now you can see the HTML codes. Now write the title simple chatbot. Now go to the body. Now write the h2. H2 means heading 2. Write ask question. Now go to input. Now go to a new thing, that is input id. ID should be different of different numericals. ID should be different of different codes. Now right here input id equal to question, and now write in the middle the things that you needed. Now write the button which is ask. Now write the P means paragraph or para. Write this. Don't write the paragraph inside this. Just write the answer ID which will provide us the answer. Now write script.js, script src equal to script.js. This is needed to connect script.js means JavaScript to this HTML file. Now go to script.js. Write the necessary things which is you don't know this, you should know this. Please learn the basics, then you can know this. Write the ID of the button, get answer, and give brackets and bracket close without writing anything inside the brackets. And now a second bracket. Now another second bracket. Write all the things that are needed. Let q equal to document.getElement by id, the id of the question.value.to lowercase, and then let ans equal to the answer. Now go to the next thing. Q dot if else if q dot includes, like this. All the things includes means the question will be included by the JavaScript to the HTML file. Now write all the necessary things like this. What I am writing, it is the basics. It's not advanced, it's not pro level, it's the basic. You should know the basics because the basic is important in the first stage of learning coding. And in this age, in this era, AI will help you to code faster. So you can also use AI for these purposes. Now write all the things that are needed in the script.js like I wrote. Now go to index.html and now see what I have written in the preview. Now you can also go to external browser where you can also check whether it's right or wrong. Now write hello and click ask. Now you can see that what we have provided has been given by HTML, has been given by the file, has been given by the codes. Now then you can also ask gravity. Now you can see the answer by clicking ask. So use AI for your coding purposes. Follow this channel, subscribe to this channel, like this video,